welcome to my channel Adyan's World. Today my project is Toll Plaza Gate using Ilya receiver, Ilya remote, servo motor. In this project I have used servo motor, Ilya remote, Ilya receiver, some jumper wires, nano and breadboard. I have connected A12 to positive, A14 to negative, the basic connection. Ilya receiver VCC to positive, GND to negative, output to D2 of the nano. The servo motor VCC to positive, GND to negative, output to D3 of the nano. Starting the code with a nano begin, Ilya receiver pin D2 forever pin. If sensor is connected, then if up button is pressed, then set servo pin 3 out 90 degree. That is the toll plaza gate open. Wait for 2 seconds. If down button is pressed, then set servo pin 3 out 0. That is toll plaza gate closed. Wait for 2 seconds. Ilya resume. Let's upload. Upload success. When I press the up button, the toll gate open. When I press the down button, the toll gate close. That's all friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mamudidan from LiQWYD.